Now, the Berbers are an African ethnic group which have inhabited North Africa since 10,000 BC and are indigenous to the North African region, sometimes called the Maghreb. The Maghreb includes modern-day eastern Mauritania, western Sahara, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, northern Mali, and northern Niger. Paintings dating back to 10,000 BC have been found in northern Niger historical sites which depict chariots and Africans with domesticated animals. The Berbers are also referred to as El Barbar by the Arabs of Arabia. In Latin, the name Mari was also used to refer to the Berbers located in modern-day Mauritania. Later, the North African Berbers were also referred to as the Moors in European historical records. Indeed, a famous English playwright named William Shakespeare created a well-known and popular play called Othello, the Moor of Venice in 1603 AD. The play centers around an African prince living in Venice, Italy, who becomes general in the Venetian army. Genetically, the Berber people are descendants of the people of Eastern Africa, sharing the similar DNA, namely haplogroup E-M96, which is a human Y chromosome. It's also interesting to note that ancient Somalia in eastern Africa was also sometimes called Barbaria, or Land of the Berbers. The Africans who inhabited this region were also called Berbers by the ancient Greeks of Europe. The Berbers are also known collectively as the Amazigh. The ancient Egyptians of northeastern Africa also interacted with the Berbers. The Berber kingdoms of Libya assisted the Egyptian Empire as far back as 1317 BC, when Ramesses II incorporated them into his own army. They are depicted in Egyptian paintings as dark-skinned with beards and were at times referred to as the Tenu. The Berbers of North and Northwest Africa cultivated barley, beans, and chickpeas. Also, wheat was imported from Ethiopia. They also raised goats, sheep, and cattle, as evidenced from engravings depicting these animals being domesticated. Some of the largest and most well-known Berber tribes were the Tuareg, located in modern-day Mali and Niger, the Mari, who were located in modern-day Mauritania, and the Numidians, located in Algeria and Tunisia, along with the Masmuda, located in modern-day Morocco, and the Sandhaja, located in modern-day Algeria and Morocco, and the Zenata, which stretched from western Egypt across to Morocco, and the Libu, located in modern-day Libya. The Arab traveler and physician Ibn Butlan provides the following description of the Berber women. The Berber women are from between the west and the south. Their color is mostly black, though some pale ones can be found among them. If you can find one whose mother is of Kutama, whose father is of Senhaja, and whose origin is Masmuda, then you will find her to be naturally inclined to obedience and loyalty in all matters, active in service, and suited to both motherhood and to pleasure, for they are the most solicitous in caring for their children. The Berbers would also become involved in populating the central city of Carthage. Carthage was founded in 814 BC. A mix of Berbers and Phoenicians from modern-day Lebanon populated the central city, and eventually a small population of Africans of mixed heritage developed in some areas. However, the majority of Berbers maintained their own indigenous African cultures and traditions. Originally, all North African Berbers adhered to traditional African religions. By 575 BC, Carthage was successful in securing territory within the European islands of Sicily and Sardinia in the Mediterranean Sea. It also took positions within the European nation of Spain. Later, as a united group, the people of Carthage engaged in full-scale war with the European Empire of Rome, and numerous battles with Spain also followed. Carthage established trade routes importing goods from Western Africa, inclusive of gold and ivory. In exchange, the kingdoms of West Africa received cloth and metals from Carthage. The Berbers would continue to develop and expand over the coming centuries.